Hello there, everyone. How are you today? Okay, so we're going to continue on with our sounds, okay, our phonics. All right, so hope you guys are ready. All right, let's get started here. All right, so here we are with the short A sound, and we're going to begin with the A-M-A-G combination, okay? Those letters together in these words, and then we're going to look at the pictures and the sentences so that you have an understanding of the word as well as the sentence, okay? Because you'll see the pictures. All right. All right, so let's check out these sounds. Okay, so let's look at the list. We have flag, bag, wag, rag, tag, sag, ham, yam, jam, and ram. Okay, let's take a look at these words. All right. Wait, let's see. Let's go on this side. Put the camera. All right. Okay, so can you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you see flag, bag, the dog wagging the tail, right? Rag. We've all used a rag for something, to clean something maybe, right? A tag, a tag on a clothing in a store, sag. So we have this person sagging down. You see that? Wait, right there. There we go. Let me get my finger out of the way there for this sentence. Okay, so we have the flag. Okay, the flag and rag are in the bag. The flag and rag are in the bag. Hmm? Okay, now we're going to take a look at the continuation of those words, right? Ham, yam, kind of like in the potato family, right? You know what a yam is. Jam in a jar. Maybe you use the jam to put on a piece of bread or a muffin or something, right? Or peanut butter and jelly, right? Ram. You see the picture of the ram. Now let's look at our sentence. The ram likes to eat ham, jam, and yams. Well, that is some kind of menu, right? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's some combination. Okay. Next slide. Let's take a look at this. We have AP and the AD combination. Okay, let's go look at that on our word list, and then we'll take a look at the pictures in the sentence, okay? All right, so we have cap, like maybe a hat that you wear, cap. Gap is like space between something. Lap, like on your lap or lap, top or something you put on your lap. Map, that's something that you use to get to go somewhere, right? Nap, if you want to go take a nap, you want to go to sleep. Sap, sap comes from a tree. Dad, bad, sad, pad, mad, and fad. Okay, let's take a look at our pictures. Oh, let me fix this. Okay. Can you see that? Wait, let me get that adjusted in the camera. Cap. It's the hat. Gap. I guess she has in this picture the gap between her teeth. Lap. There's something on the lap, right? Map. So you know where you're going. Nap. You see someone taking a little sleepy time there. And sap that comes from a tree. Like maple syrup or something. Sap. Something's coming from that tree. Let me move my finger. Oh, that's not working either. That isn't. All right, let me go like this. That's not working. Wait. Okay, I put my cap and map on my lap. Okay, that's what you want to do. All right, so you see that? Okie doke. Now let's continue with the words. Right? We see dad, bad. They're showing you finger down. That was something bad. Sad. You see a sad face, right? Over here we see a pad, like a writing pad. Mad. That person seems like he has an angry face. Mad. Fad is kind of like you see the person there like wearing some kind of an outfit. So a fad means something like maybe that's what's in now. Like maybe there was a time when people used to wear the long skirts or the high-waisted pants in the 70s. They used to call them the elephant pants, right? Okay, so then we have in this picture, what we're seeing is what is the style for that particular time. So let's look at our sentence. Dad is sad and mad. He's mad about something and sad. Okay. Very good, very good. Next slide. Okay, we have the AT and AN combo. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Cat, mat, hat, sat, rat, bat, fan, van, pan, and can. Let's take a look at our words and pictures. Okay. Cat. See the picture of the mat, and there's a picture of a hat, and you see someone sitting, so sat, rat, bat. The cat sat on the mat. Now, even though this is looking like very simple words, basically what we're trying to look at here as well as, you need to learn these combo sounds. They're going to show up in your reading and you won't know how to say it. So that's what we're doing here, okay? See the fan, van, pan, and can. Dan put the fan and pan in the van. Okay? Got it? Simple, right? Okay? And like I said, you're the only one that knows where your problem area is with the sounds when you're trying to read and, in the class or trying to understand what the teacher is saying. So hopefully, when you're scanning through these videos, you find some area that you need to practice on. You'll come back to this and help yourself with the knowledge so you can understand how to say it. All right? And remember, practice always makes perfect. Okay, so thumbs up for you guys today. Great job. Smile. Always smile. You can do this. It'll take some time, but you can do it. All right? I have faith in you guys. You can do this. I'm watching it with the private tutoring, and it's working. So it's got to work for you guys too. All right? You just have to be able to believe, and you should practice. Okay? All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you keep getting the notifications for the new practice English videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay? All right, bye-bye.